I am so excited. I want to open this thing. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, let's do this thing. What's up? How's it going? This is Kazi from cleverprogrammer.com, and today I got a special video, a surprise here for me and for everybody else. Oh my God. Is today the day? Is today the day? Oh my God. Wow. We're unboxing this, guys, together. I am so excited. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Yo! It's time to unpack this thing together. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. All right, I'm gonna try to put this up on the screen for you guys to read. But basically it says, okay. All right, I'm gonna read this. I'm gonna try to read this without crying. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. I hope you guys were challenged, entertained, or touched in some way. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. I don't. But it's nice to have some. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan. I'm not gonna try to say her last name, CEO of YouTube. Wow. Wow. I am so excited. I want to open this thing. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, let's do this thing. Wow. Can you see it? This is beautiful, you guys. This is beautiful. I just wanted to take the time to say thank you to every single person who has subscribed to this channel. Today, we have had a big accomplishment. We just hit 200,000 subscribers. So I know I'm 100,000 subscribers late, but this was just so special that I wanted to save this for this day. I want to just take the time to say that whether you've subscribed to this channel or not, if you're just watching this video right now, in any way, if you've supported this channel, thank you so much for every single person who's even taken the time to view this video or tell a friend or subscribe. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you so very much. I want to be uploading much more than I can, or much more than I am right now, but I will keep uploading to this channel. We're gonna keep growing Clever Programmer, and I just cannot thank you guys enough. Sorry, sometimes I am producing a lot of content, and sometimes it's like a little slow, but I'm trying to just work it out and make sure that I give you guys the best quality content. Again, thank you everybody for being part of this journey. This was a very long journey, going from 0 subscribers to 200,000, but we hit 100,000 subscribers in October of last year. And now it's June and we've hit 200,000 total. So that's in 8 months, we've covered 100,000 subscribers, and that's just so amazing. And this is literally a movement that's being spread throughout the world. This year was a fantastic year so far, from mastermind in Colombia to flying to Boston for a mastermind, going to Palm Springs, going to San Diego. At the same time, the Profitable Programmer course that I launched came out, and we have hundreds of students in there. We have actually we have 1,000 plus students now in there who are going through that course, and it's been unbelievable. We have students who've gotten jobs. We have students who've negotiated their salaries or their hourly rates. We have students who've become freelancers, and all of that is happening within that course. So a lot of my time was also being spent there creating new modules and new content for that course. But again, it's been a really long journey, and we all grew together. I am so thankful for you being there and supporting this channel. Really, without you, this channel would not exist. And this just feels so good. Like, it just feels so good. So good. Sorry if I blew up your ears there. But yes, wanted to take the time to thank you. I wanted to take the time to just speak with you and do the unboxing ceremony with you. And that's it. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for supporting the channel. And I really hope that you continue to support, and that you're there, and that we still grow together all the way to 1 million and beyond, baby. We're gonna hit 10 million subscribers. 1 million, it's gonna be in 1 year from now. You mark my words. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I love your beautiful faces, and I'll see you in the next video. Whoosh.